Introduction to reviewing your habit progress.
HabitBull helps you build positive habits and break bad ones by tracking your daily actions. But the real power comes from regularly reviewing your progress. This walkthrough explains how to use HabitBull's review and reporting features to stay motivated and see how far you've come on your journey to better habits.
Accessing the HabitBull Progress Overview.
Start by opening HabitBull and selecting the habit you want to review. Tap on your habit to view its main tracking screen. Here, you'll see a calendar with colored marks indicating your streaks, missed days, and completions. This simple overview quickly shows your consistency and highlights any patterns in your progress.
Using charts and detailed statistics.
HabitBull offers charts and graphs to help you analyze your habits over time. Tap the stats or analytics icon, usually located near your habit name or at the bottom of the screen. You can review ongoing streaks, longest streak, completion percentages, and other statistics that provide insight into your habits and how consistently you're sticking with them.
Custom reports and reminders.
Customize the tracking frequency and reporting habits to match your goals. HabitBull allows you to set daily, weekly, or custom timeframes. You can also enable reminders and review notifications. Automated reports show your success rate within your chosen period, helping you stay accountable and recognize when adjustments may be needed.
Motivating insights and milestone tracking.
Take advantage of motivational features like milestones and achievement badges. HabitBull highlights key victories, such as reaching new streak records or sticking with a goal for a set number of days. These positive reinforcements make it easier to stay committed and enjoy the process of self-improvement.
Tips for maximizing progress reviews.
Schedule regular reviews, such as every Sunday, to look over your HabitBull stats. Use the data to identify trends, celebrate growth, and reset your approach if you notice setbacks. By making habit progress reviews part of your routine, you can ensure continuous improvement and increase your chances of long-term success.